Flip it in there in that nice calm port. Up, up, up with the line, up with your tip. Good. Try again. Nice. Up, up, up with your tip. Okay, you saw him. He ate something else, didn't he? Put it on him. That's a little behind him. He can't find that. Lean in there. Up. Little wind. Flick it in there. A little harder on your flick, okay? Oh, dude, once it's on the water, Carter, just leave it alone. You know, you don't have to get perfect. I know where you get that from. Oh, a little bit harder to flick. Yeah. Oh, you know where he is. You're landing a little. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, he decided to get something else in the corner. Take a little baby. Yeah, hang on to your flies. Hang on to your flies. Again, you don't want much line out. Just take a little baby step closer. Little baby step. Make sure your feet are really good. Okay? Solid. Get ready. Get ready. Okay. You see how you have that bend of the leader? You know, that thin line, the monofilament. You see how you have that little bend? Sometimes try not to get that bend in there. All that means is raise your tip up a little bit. Good, good, good. Up, up, up. Oh, nice. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's right on him. Did you see him? Right there. Oh! He's eating on top, too. Okay, let's rest him a little bit.